48 hours following a lip augmentation, you may experience some lumps or bumps in the treated area, which is normal. This is caused by excessive swelling in the treated area, which causes the filler to compress. The means to reverse this, you just have to get a dime-sized amount of Vaseline, just like this, as you can see on my fingertip. And you want to apply this to any areas on your lip where you're feeling those bumps. You want to use both your left and right hand, and you want to use your index and thumb on both hands and firmly place them on those areas to massage them out. An example of that will look exactly like this. So you have your two fingers, index and thumb from both hands, and then you want to firmly put pressure on that area. You want to continue this process periodically throughout the day, and you want to continue to do this every day until those areas begin to soften up and integrate nicely with the surrounding tissue. Once you no longer can feel those areas anymore, that's a good indication that they have resolved.